Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is LA Lavender Farm. LA means Los Angeles. My farm located in Los Angeles County, northern side. Today I'm gonna show you guys about Fernleaf lavender. Some people also called Egyptian lavender. And also it has a name called Lavender pinnata buchii or Lavandula pinnata buchii. And typically just a fern-like leaf, fern leaf. So it's fern leaf lavender. Right now it's December 1st in Los Angeles County, northern part, Acton. And I have a 5-acre land over there. It's a phenomenal. And over there, it's a growth, so it's very young. Phenomenal, and the growth has only been 6 months. And the fern leaf, I transplanted on my soil 2 months ago. I just every week I give a red solo cup, like little cup of water. That's it. It's very heat resist and the drought resist. So far so good. It's blooming December 1st. I cannot wait for the next spring and next summer. Should be bigger bloom. Right now it's pretty beautiful. This is not typical lavender. Typical lavender is English lavender. Over there I have several English lavender, but this is Egyptian lavender. Doesn't smell very well. I mean, doesn't have enough smell. Smell like herbs or just grass. Mostly fern leaf lavender. It's for landscaping, just for its beauty. If you want your front yard or backyard looks beautiful, you can use fern leaf lavender.